If you're running a business and want a smart visual way to track every expense, this business expense tracker template will help you do just that. It's built to give you full control over your spending with automatic summaries, categorized dashboards, and a detailed view of where your money goes. The template is divided into 3 core sheets, each one serving a specific function. We begin with the expenses log. This is your main working area. Here, you simply enter each expense as it happens: the date, the vendor or payee, the expense type, and the payment method. Most fields come with drop-down lists to help you enter consistent data quickly. The category column fills in automatically based on the selected expense type, keeping your records clean and standardized. You can also enter notes for any special case or clarification. The drop-downs are pre-filled with common business expenses, but you're free to modify them to fit your operations. Once your expenses are entered, the annual summary sheet brings everything together. At the top, just type in the year you want to review, and the entire table updates automatically. You'll see all your expenses broken down by category and organized month by month, from operating expenses and cost of goods sold to sales, marketing, travel, and more. This lets you analyze trends across the year, understand where your biggest costs are, and compare monthly activities side by side, all without doing any manual calculations. Now, let's look at the most visual part of the file: the Business Expenses Statistics Sheet. This dashboard turns your data into powerful insights using charts and diagrams. The left side of the dashboard shows metrics for the entire budgeting period. You'll see a donut chart showing the breakdown of payment methods used, such as bank transfers, credit cards, or online payments, and another chart displaying the distribution of expenses by category. There's also a bar graph showing how much your company spent each month, which gives you a quick view of seasonal peaks or quiet periods. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find an interactive section where you can choose a specific period, whether it's a week, a month, or a full quarter. Just enter the start and end dates, and the charts below will update automatically. You'll see a new category breakdown for the selected period, so you can focus on recent activity, campaign windows, or specific budgeting phases. And below that, you'll find a ranked list of the top 20 vendors by total expense, showing exactly who received the largest payments and how much you spent with each. All visuals are dynamic and update based on your data. There's no need to build reports manually or export numbers to another system. Everything is calculated and visualized for you, right inside the file. This template is perfect for small businesses, departments, startups, or project managers who want clear and accurate cost tracking. It helps you catch overspending, identify savings opportunities, and present your financial data in a polished, professional way, with zero coding and no extra tools required. The file works in Google Sheets. Just copy it, start entering your expenses, and watch the statistics and summaries come to life. It's fast, flexible, and powerful. So go ahead, click the link, grab the template, and start managing your business expenses with total confidence.